Hello, my name is Robin DeBreyer, Case Manager and Special Education Teacher at Palm Academy with Springs Charter Schools. Today I'll be demonstrating Elkonin Boxes with 3- and 4-letter words. What I am teaching here is applicable both for use inside the classroom and at the home. The method of using Elkonin Boxes does not change depending on the environment, be it in the classroom or at home. So parents, if you are viewing this video, you can use this intervention with your students at home as well. To start, I'm going to demonstrate how to use an Elkonin box with a 3-syllable word. The nice thing about Elkonin boxes is that they are both visual, auditory, and tactile. I will demonstrate all 3 of those right now. I'm going to use a pencil as my tactile tool instead of my finger for this, but I will do an example with my finger as well. So when you use an Elkonin box, you break down a word into its individual syllables, like I have done here with alphabet, and you go box to box for each syllable of the word until you are all the way through the word, like so. Alphabet. Alphabet. Now, I use my pencil as the tactile part of this intervention. In addition, there's the audible portion of saying the different parts of the word out loud, and there's the visual part of being able to see the box and see the different syllables. So that was alphabet. 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 For our second demonstration, we're going to use a 4-syllable Elkonin box for the word alligator. Demonstrating it with the pencil. Alligator. Alligator. One more time. Alligator. Alligator. That was an introduction to using Elkonin boxes for 3- and 4-syllable words. There are also boxes available online for 5- and 6- and possibly even 7-syllable words if your student may need it. However, a student who's receiving intervention with Elkonin boxes for 3- or 4-syllable words may be able to receive enough benefit that they may not need larger Elkonin boxes. However, they are available should you need them for your student. Once again, this is an introduction on Elkonin boxes for 3- or 4-syllable words. I hope this was an interesting and educational video for you, and I hope that you use this tool in the future for any word reading, syllable breaking down, or word attack needs that you might have with your student. Thank you, and have a great day.